Biggest update for MHT-CET 2021 exam date. Maharashtra Higher and Technical Education Minister Uday has announced MHT-CET 2021 exam date. The MHT-CET exam date has been released during a press conference. As per MHT-CET exam date, authorities will conduct the Maharashtra Common Entrance Test, that is MHT-CET 2021, from September 20 to October 1st. Aspirants will be able to check the MHT-CET exam dates on official website. I will provide this link in the description box. Please watch after this video. Let's check how many centers are there. The State Common Entrance Test Cell Maharashtra will conduct MHT-CET 2021 exam at 226 centers. Candidates who are preparing for MHT-CET 2021 exam are advised to keep checking MHT-CET 2021 official website for any latest news and update. I will provide this latest update. For this reason, please subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Let's check. Once the admit card is released by authority, I will first to make video on that. So please do subscribe to my channel. The result date is October 20. This is the tweet by Uday.